The Pacquiao family has been swept up with rumors involving Jimuel and his ex-girlfriend, Peralejo. The TV actress allegedly asked for financial assistance from Senator Manny Pacquiao. And was said to have been given 100,000 pesos by her ex-boyfriend's mom. On Instagram, Jinkee and Jimuel clarified the issue. The senator's eldest son stressed there was no money given. His mother also denied there was money involved. Showbiz columnist Lolit Solis has apologized on Instagram after receiving a text from the former vice governor of Sarangani. In the same post, Solis also issued an apology to Heaven and her mom.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.